Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Punishka Tutorials. Today we will see some methods of preserving food. So let's begin. Preservation is a process of storing food for a long time without getting spoiled. Food preservation. Food preservation is a process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down food spoilage, loss of quality, edibility, or nutritional value, and thus allow for longer food storage. Food grains. We need wheat, rice, pulses, etc. throughout the year. Eggs, milk and milk products. They have to be made available in good condition to people at long distance. Fruits and vegetables. Different fruits and vegetables are available in different seasons. They also taste their best in that seasons. Pickles and jams. Fungus. The cotton wool like fibrous growth on the chapati is kind of fungus. A fungus is a type of microorganisms. The various factors that are responsible for growth of fungus are water, air, warmth. Food and microorganisms. Microorganisms are present all around us in the air as well as in the water. Usually air, moisture and warmth are available where food is kept. If microorganisms begin to grow, our food gets spoiled. Such spoiled food can cause a stomachache, diarrhea or vomiting. What are the different methods of food preservation? First one is drying, second cooling, third boiling, fourth one is canning or placing in airtight cans. Drying. When we dry foodstuffs, their water content is lost. This method is used to preserve foodstuffs like papad, kurdai, sandej, wheat pulses, etc. This is the image of kurdai and this is the image of sandej. Second one is cooling. When food is placed in a refrigerator, microorganisms do not get the warmth they need for growth and hence the food is preserved. Third one is boiling. When foodstuffs like milk are boiled, the microorganisms in them gets destroyed. Fourth one is canning or placing it in a airtight can. When foodstuffs are preserved in airtight containers, the microorganisms are first destroyed and it is ensured that water or air will not enter the foodstuffs. Preservatives. Certain substances are added to jams and pickles to preserve them for a long time. They are called preservatives. Example: sugar, salt, mustard, oil and vinegar. These are the pictures of some preservatives, natural preservatives: salt and sugar, hing, mustard oil and vinegar. Spices. Much of variety in the tastes of our food is due to spices. Every spice has different flavor or taste. We get different spices from different parts of the plant. Example: coriander. We get coriander which are dry seeds. Okay. Cinnamon which we get from the bark of the plant. Cloves which are dry buds of the plant. Cardamom which are fruit seeds. Pepper which are whole fruit or seed of the plant. Cumin are dry seeds of the plant. So this was some information about the food preservative. If you have any doubt in the video, please comment it in the comment section. If you like our video, please click on the like button and share it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.